So a little bit more about our Wealth for Life workshop. So a lot of what we do is working with the business itself, but we need to keep an ear out and a mind for growing the family's wealth. And that's what the Wealth for Life workshop is for. So it's for clients or people who are keen to explore working with Inspire. And we actually go through our principles of creating wealth for your family. So what foundational stuff you need in place, things you need to think about for the long term, but then we also go to the practical foundations like estate planning, having a backup plan in place, and also a mind for what's happening with your superannuation. And then the last part of the workshop is actually talking about making sure you're making regular investments and doing wise investment decisions, along with some topics around what makes a great property investment from a tax perspective, and also sharing the idea of debt recycling. So that's a bit of an overview to a Wealth for Life workshop. It's 3 hours long. It's a great workshop, and I hope to see you at the next one.